Oh, hi. Didn't see you there. Welcome to my video. Today we're gonna make this wall. Anime. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut out the pages out of this book and we're gonna adhere them to this wall, and it's gonna be fun, because if it isn't, I don't fucking know. Okay, so we're gonna start by cutting out these pages. So I got one of these. I stole it from my dad. Yeah, so I'm just gonna cut out a couple of these, then I'll see you in a bit. So like I said before, we're going to be making a manga panel wall, not an anime wall. I said anime wall because I am illiterate. No, I'm not, but yeah, so what you're gonna need a razor or some sort of cutting equipment like I shown before, and I don't show it, but I use double-sided tape to tape them to the wall. And what we're looking at here is just me ripping up the papers and it looks like I'm having fun. It's great. I'm having a grand time. Look at this guy. Wow, what a beauty. Yup. Now that you have all your panels cut up, it's time to stick them to the wall. Just give it a little rub and a love tap. There you go. Slap those things on there like I slap my wife, you know? I don't hit her. Right now what I'm doing is just sticking them to the wall at the top and working my way down. It's completely out of frame, but I'm gonna show you right here. Yeah, we reached the corner, and this is what the knife is for. We're gonna put the manga panel in, make a little cut so we have a seamless edge. This is what the knife. Look at that. Look at that. Seamless. Got him. Yep. Still got so much wall left. I didn't even reach my height yet. It's still all the way up there. So I ran out of tape, but I got this far. I'm gonna get some more tape and maybe I'll finish it. Hey, how y'all doing? It's me. Okay, so I lost all the footage, as you can see, because we jumped ahead quite a bit. But why wait 3 weeks to finish it? Let's just say I got depressed. Yeah, but we're going to finish it today for sure. If I don't finish today, I have a gun squad outside that's gonna shoot me. So let's get started. Okay. Okay. So I ran out of tape. And this is well below the sight line of my bathroom mirror. So I guess I'm done now. This took a fucking long time. But here's the finished product. Nice. Now what's left to do is just sign my name. I think I'm gonna put it in this black box over here. Yeah. Well, thanks for watching. See you later. Adhere them to this wall.